Here's the truth. The calendar says we've got plenty of time left in the year, but do we really? Because when you factor in weekends, holidays, and the hours of daylight left, what we actually have is far less than we think. And that's why I treat September as part of Q4. Because the more realistic you are about your time, the more intentional you can be with your business and your life. Hey there, and welcome back to Gab Sessions with Stephanie Marie, aka Gabbie. Sundays are all about the CEO dashboard, reflecting, resetting, and planning for the week ahead so that you move with intention and not chaos. Today, we're looking at the countdown. How many days, weekends, and real work hours are left in the year, and how to use that awareness to create focus, clarity, and momentum. Let's put some numbers to it. There are approximately 109 days left in the year. That's about 16 weekends. Halloween is 49 days away. Thanksgiving is 74 days away. Christmas Eve is 104 days away. Christmas is 105 days away. And New Year's Eve is 109 days away. And when you factor in holidays, family events, and downtime, on average, you've got about 50 to 60 real work days left. And here's another way to look at it. As the days get shorter, you've got fewer hours of sunshine left too, which means you've got to be even more intentional about how you spend the hours you do have. So what do you do with this awareness? Here's the framework. Audit. What needs to be done before the year ends? Write it down. Don't filter, just brain dump. Prioritize. Circle the things that actually move the needle. Not everything gets to come with you into Q4. Time block. You know how much I love time blocking. Look at your calendar. Protect 2 to 3 power sessions each week for those needle-moving priorities. Treat them like appointments. Plan for rest. Mark your holidays, family time, personal resets first. Protect them, because when you know they're blocked, you can work with more focus. Choose gratitude. End your week reflecting not just on what's left, but what's already been done. Gratitude fuels momentum. The countdown isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to remind you that time is the most valuable resource you have, and it's limited. When you know how many days, weekends, and hours of light are left, you stop wasting energy on what doesn't matter and focus on what does. So here's your action step for this week. Do your audit, set your priorities, and time block your true work days. Then protect your holidays, your family time, and your rest. And if you want support staying focused through this season, join us inside the free Business Growth Society community. The link is in the show notes. And if you want first access when VIP doors reopen, email heythere@Gabbie, Gabbie, and company.com. The subject line VIP waitlist. Because at the end of the day, finishing strong isn't about cramming more in. It's about being intentional with the time you actually have left and creating your version of success.